Service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County in northern Connecticut, southwestern Berkshire County in western Massachusetts, east central Ulster County in east central New York, northern Dutchess County in east central New York, southern Columbia County in east central New York, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Stottsburg, or near Ronnebecq, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rolling Meadows, Salt Point, Uncrumdale, Norrie Heights, South Canyon, Curly's Corners, Lithgow, Linden Acres, Hillside, Glendale, Salisbury, Smithfield, North Hillsdale, Allender, Taconic, Washington Hollow, Jackson Corners, Amyville, Great Barrington, and Pulvers